Welcome to Module 2, Lesson 3, Quantitative Scorecard. The learning objectives for this lesson will be to understand how ATT&CK can help us identify and track cybersecurity metrics, as well as appreciating the different types of questions that ATT&CK can help us address. Being able to measure and quantify where we are today versus where we need to be is vital for not only understanding our strengths, our gaps, but also maintaining and sustaining growth over time. But unfortunately, for cyber and information security, this is not an easy value to quantify. But we can use the knowledge, perspective, and structure of ATT&CK to begin to create this quantitative scorecard. For example, as an organization, we can begin to document our priorities in the form of what techniques are most important for us to defend. We can then overlay this view of our priorities with mapping to the techniques where we currently have defenses. This will be vital to quickly understanding where our gaps and where future improvements may lie. This obviously isn't a complete and thorough assessment, but even from this quick analysis, we're able to identify some opportunities for improvement. But we can use a similar approach, as well as the various objects within ATT&CK, to begin to quantify, measure, and tell a story about our security operations. And with that, we've reached the end of Lesson 3. Please pause your video for a moment to consider the knowledge check. And in this case, the correct response was false. ATT&CK will help contextualize, measure, and quantify, but will not explicitly provide a score of how safe your organization's defenses are. And as a quick summary of this lesson, we can use ATT&CK to build quantitative scorecards, ask questions, and measure how our defenses and other countermeasures align with adversary behaviors.